Morning, everyone. We are here in the STEM lab with my daughter Addison, and we've been playing with some balloons. Addison, show them how you can blow up a balloon. She is an amazing balloon blower upper. Good job, babe. All right, so Addison, we've been playing around with different ways to blow up balloons, right? Don't let that go. Give that here. Okay, can you blow up the balloon in a baggie? We've got it in a big baggie. Can you blow up that balloon? Show me. Oh, and she's inflating the balloon in that big baggie. Amazing job. Okay, I got one. Oh, I got one more. What about the balloon in the bottle? Can you blow up the balloon in the bottle? What happened? What happened? You can't do it. Let Mom try. We can't blow up the balloon in the bottle.
It's squishy.
Ask why not.
It's squishy, but
Why not? It's squishy, but it won't go, will it? It's something's going on, isn't it? That's our job this week, Rockets. We got to figure out what's going on. Why can't we blow up a balloon in the bottle? See you in the STEM lab.